Okay, so basically, yeah, your girl's eyebrows is done. All right, so what I want to do now is for myself, I want to talk about this palette. So I'm only going to focus on on this palette. So for myself, I am obsessed with this palette. So we're gonna do a whole eye look on just this palette. This palette is the Saharan II by Juvias palette. All right, colors in here are like zaddy. So we're gonna use all these colors. All right, can't even see it. Damn light. This is what we're gonna be doing today. All right, girl. Let me go ahead and put my primer on. I'm gonna do this video primer, the satin veil primer. She says what I'd say if I was in a position where I thought you would listen. I'm gonna start off with this color right here. I'm gonna use that as my transition color. I'm gonna get it together. Love that. All right, so we're gonna go on to the next color. Girl, we're gonna go with this dark brown. It's chocolate. We're gonna do it on the outer corner. Girl, we're gonna blend that in. Come on, stop playing with me, Juvias. I'm gonna go ahead and add this red. Now we're gonna transition this out and we're gonna add I think this blue shade to it. And it was at this moment I knew I fucked up.
I think it's a fast for man. What I did? Yes, pushing the door. I supposed to push the door come in my house, right? There is one. Oh, I have a surprise for you. What you got for me, honey? Alright. What you got for me, honey?
Basically, who you just heard were my parents. You know, they've been married for 30 years and they're so in love. I was so like, oh, I was so distraught. When I heard them come in, I was like, no, I want to record this video for my YouTube channel. And here they come with their lovey-dovey self. I'm dead. But yes, I guess I'm just going to be voice recording from here on out. Right here, I'm going in with one of my favorite mascaras by Pure Cosmetics. I love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this beautiful lash by ienvy mink lashes. These are 25mm lashes. They're so long and they're so bossed up and glamorous. And let me tell you something. These lashes make your eyes and your makeup look so fierce. And now I'm going with this Hudabeauty foundation. I actually really like this foundation. If you're looking for that filtered Instagram type of foundation, I think this is it. Very matte and it's also very full coverage. I love it. I don't know, it's just something about this foundation. You cannot go wrong at all. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Tan. I actually like Honey, I think it's the shade, but this is the only one I've seen they had at the store that I have near me, which is a Walmart. It's decent. I like this concealer and I like the applicator that it has on it. I think next time I'm definitely going to go and try to see if I can get that Honey shade, but it's not bad. You know, I'm used to using LA Girl Pro, and I feel like this actually beats LA Girl Pro in my opinion. You know, just the transition of it and how it blends. I feel like it blends a lot more easier. Right here, you don't see that I'm showing what product I'm using to contour my face or my cheeks, but I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in the palette that is called Deep, and I usually use Carib. I hate to say it, but I actually really like this palette, and this is all I use, you know. I like the blend of it. I feel like it blends out really nicely, and I feel like you cannot go wrong with it. I feel like any mistakes can be fixed. Guys, it's just makeup. And now I'm going ahead and use, of course, my all-time favorite Sacha Buttercup. I cannot do any looks without this powder. I swear to gosh, this is my go-to. Listen, I swear you cannot go wrong using this. You will not have no flashbacks whatsoever. This product is perfect for women of color. It definitely has a yellow undertone, and it does help with your makeup application. Yes, for me, I don't really bake my the powder. I usually let it sit on for a few minutes and dust it off, like, you know, and I don't put it on too heavy. I feel like my makeup looks even more flawless and more filtered when I do that. And of course, you won't get no ashiness with this powder at all. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite contour palette by Black Radiance True Complexions, dark to deep. I was using medium to dark, medium to dark contour palette by the same company, and I felt like I still needed to use eyeshadow just to get a deep enough contour, but they came out with this one, and let me tell you, ladies, this is the you cannot go wrong with this at all. And now you're gonna go ahead and see me use the Saharan blush palette by Juvias Place. I feel like this is my perfect blush. I use the 2 shades in the center as my blush. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use that highlighter. I wasn't really using that highlighter in the beginning. As you can see, I was using the other one because I hit pan. But then I realized I really like this highlighter. So yeah, I think this is gonna be my go-to highlighter from now on. It's definitely a go. Look at that glow. Cannot deny that. And now I'm lining my lips with my MAC lip liner called Nightmoth. It's like a purpley plum lip liner. This color, or shade I should say, is like one of my go-to lip liners. I could put any new lipstick in the center, or any like purple, light purple, or red for an ombre look. This is one of my favorite lip liners, I have to say, by MAC. And now I'm using one of the shades from the Anastasia Beverly lip kit. I've never used this color before. And once you see this setting spray come out, this is my favorite setting spray by Morphe. When you see this setting spray come out, you know this look is basically complete. It is done. When I saw you and her. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like this, and also share it. Alright, see you next time.